Suppress InsecureRequestWarning. Unverified HTTPS request is being made in Python2.6. I am writing scripts in Python2.6 with use of pyvmomi and while using one of the connection methods. I get the following warning. What's interesting is that I do not have urlib3 installed with pip, but it's therein. I have tried as suggested here. But that didn't change anything.
You can disable any Python warnings via the Python warnings environment variable. In this case, you want to disable using Python code, requests is greater than or equal to 2.16.0. For requests is lower than 2.16.0, see original answer below. Original answer. The reason doing urlib3.disable_warnings didn't work for you is because it looks like you're using a separate instance of urlib3 vended inside of requests. I gather this based on the path here, /user/lib/python2.py. To disable warnings in requests vended urlib3, you'll need to import that specific instance of the module.
This is the answer in 2017. urlib3 not a part of requests anymore.
Per this GitHub comment, one can disable urlib3 request warnings via requests in a one-liner. requests.packages.urlib3.disable_warnings. This will suppress all warnings though, not just InsecureRequest, it will also suppress Insecure platform etc. in cases where we just want stuff to work. I find the conciseness handy.
The HTTPS certificate verification security measure isn't something to be discarded lightheartedly. The man-in-the-middle attack that it prevents safeguards you from a third party, for example sipping a virus in or tampering with or stealing your data. Even if you only intend to do that in a test environment, you can easily forget to undo it when moving elsewhere. Instead, read the relevant section on the provided link and do as it says. The way specific for requests, which bundles with its own copy of urlib3, as per CA certificates, advanced usage, requests 2.8.1 documentation. Requests ships with its own certificate bundle, but it can only be updated together with the module. It will use, since requests, v2.4.0, the certify package instead if it's installed. In a test environment, you can easily slip a test certificate into certify as per how do I update root certificates of certify. For example, if you replace its bundle with just your test certificate, you will immediately see it if you forget to undo that when moving to production. Finally, with today's government-backed global hacking operations like tailored access operations and the Great Firewall of China that target network infrastructure, falling under a MITM attack is more probable than you think.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.